Hey guys, are looking for a way to get paid online, something even? Do you want an extremely easy way to get online, something even the laziest person with zero skills and experience can do? If so, then you really want to keep watching this video, because not only will I show you a platform where you can get paid for just clicking with your mouse, something anyone can do by the way, but I will also explain everything you need to know, step by step, so you can effortlessly set this up without getting confused, and I will also give you tips and tricks to earn even more money. Another reason you really want to stay tuned. Now, even though this is a great way to get paid online, since it's so effortless and easy, it will not make you rich, and it's just a short-term method to get paid. Remember, you can make some decent money today if you take action. How you can replicate that and earn money and absolutely passive income. And with all of that said, before we jump into today's video, it's appreciated if you can hit the like button and share this video with more people. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. Then you will never miss any upcoming videos. Let's get right into this tutorial. The very first website I want to show you, and yes, there are more to come, is this one here called starclicks.com. And before I even go on and show you what you want to do when you first come on here, let me show you first that this website will actually pay you through PayPal. As you can see on this page here, you have PayPal, arguably the most popular of them, all that I know many of you love. But apart from that, you can see that through bank transfer, you can get your money transferred directly to your bank account if you either cannot or simply don't want to use PayPal for whatever reason. The last thing worth noting on this page is that it says here, we support all currencies. This is because this is actually a worldwide available platform and will work no matter where you're coming from. The fact that it's worldwide, you can see on this website here called similarweb.com. If you don't know what this is, SimilarWeb is basically a place where you can get a bunch of info about a website, such as the number of monthly visits, which in the case of StarClicks is just nearly 2 million. But apart from that, you can also see from which country the majority of users are from. In the case of this website, that country is India. As you can see, the next 4 countries in the top 5 are as follows: Sri Lanka, Venezuela, Algeria, and lastly, Taiwan. The most important bit here, guys, are that the 5 countries where the majority of users are from are not the typical countries you would expect, such as the US, UK, Australia, Canada, and whatnot. This is hugely important because this shows you that this website will work in other countries, and not just the ones in Western Europe or North America. So, for those of you wondering, yes, this will work in your country. With that said, the steps you will need to undertake before you can get paid through the use of this platform, you can see right here. You just need to sign up and create an absolutely free account by entering in a bunch of your data. And yes, I will show you how to do that step by step. What happens from there is they will send you an activation email, so you can confirm that the email address you entered is actually yours. And this is a really important bit. Once you confirm your account, you will then be able to log into it and start making money by clicking on ads as promised before. And once again, I will show you how to do that as well. Lastly, what happens is you will withdraw your money so you can get paid, as simple as that. With all of that said and done, it's worth mentioning that I'll now get right to the point and show you what you need to do on this website to get paid and how you can withdraw that money as well. If you're interested in some of the features this platform offers, feel free to check them out yourselves. I won't go into it as to not waste your time. As you have heard, the first step you need to undertake is to sign up. So let me cover that now. To sign up to this website, all you got to do first is click on the sign up button, which is located near the top of the website. On the next page, you will now be able to choose whether you want to sign up as a publisher or advertiser. Obviously, since we are not here to pay anyone to advertise, you will need to click on Publish or Sign Up here, and it's on this very page here where you will now be requested to enter in all of this data. And yes, I know it will take a tiny bit of your time to do that, but trust me, it's worth it. You first need to enter in your full name, then select your date of birth, type in your physical address and city and these two boxes. Select the country where you're from, and you can, of course, take a look at all of the countries that are accepted if you want further proof that this is actually worldwide. Anyhow, you now need to enter in your zip code and phone number, and then scroll down just a bit, and you will come across this section where you will finally enter in your email address and password, both of which you will need to retype as well. The last bits of information you need to enter in are as follows. The answer to a security question of your own choosing, and you need to tell them how you found them, in which case you can just select online advertising from this list here. And finally, after entering in all of that data, just complete this CAPTCHA, tick this box, and click on Register below to finish the process. Now, what you now need to do is go over to your Gmail account, because they will send you a message that will look something like this, and you'll need to confirm the email address is yours by clicking right here. Once you log into your brand new account, this is how everything will look. And here's what you now want to do so you can get paid per click. First off, click on Pay Per Click Ads on the left-hand side here. That will now show you all of these ads that you can click on and get paid. And here is the truly awesome part. You do not have to watch any ads per se, or stay on one of these websites for a few seconds to like a minute or something. This is the case most of the time, but not with this website. You literally click on one of these ads. They take you to a particular website, and then you can just go back over to start clicks and click on another ad and keep doing this over and over again to make money. This is arguably the best part about this website. And as you can see, I indeed have made money with that one website I clicked on. So, as I was saying, you don't have to waste time sitting around waiting for like 30 seconds. Each time you click on an ad, you just click on ads and get paid. It's that simple. In order to withdraw your money, something many of you will want to know how to do, just click on Payout here. You will then choose your desired method of payment type and the amount you want transferred, and then click on Transfer below to finish the process. With all of that said though, now I will not go in depth with this site and what you want to do so you can make money with it, since it's the exact same process. Sign up, sign and click on ads or watch videos in this case, and get paid. For those of you who perhaps want a more long-term strategy that is not as easy as this one but pays far more money, remember, you can make some decent money today if you take action. Then you might want to check out one of the two videos that should pop up on the screen any second now. And with that said, make sure you leave a like down below if you liked this video and you're enjoying my tutorials and learning something new every day from them. And if you haven't already, then click on that red subscribe button and tick the bell so you get notified whenever a new video of mine pops up. As always, thank you for watching and see you all soon in some of the upcoming videos.